Description: Metasploitable is a virtual machine image created by SourceForge. This virtual machine has many vulnerabilities. Metasploitable is an intentionally vulnerable Linux virtual machine. This virtual machine can be used for security training, testing security tools, and practicing common penetration testing techniques. To install Metasploitable, you first need to download the disk image file to your computer. For this, open your favorite web browser. Type Metasploitable in the search engine. Click on the link belonging to SourceForge among the results. Click on the Download option on this screen. When the Save button is clicked on the screen, the image file starts to be downloaded to the computer. The download process will take time depending on the internet connection speed. Add Metasploitable to VM Player. Open the VMware Player program. Click Open Virtual Machine. In the window that opens, find the Metasploitable image file you downloaded. Select the image file. Select the file. Click Open. In the window that opens, enter the virtual machine name and specify the folder where you will install the virtual computer. Select the folder by clicking the Browse button. I create all virtual computers under a single folder to make it easier. My recommendation would be to put all virtual computers under a single folder. I use a folder called VMs on my computer. I create all my virtual computers here. Click the down arrow to find the VMS folder where I create a folder called Metasploitable. Click the Import button. If the warning window appears, click Retry. The import process may take some time. When the import process is finished, Metasploitable computer will be added on the left side of the VM Player main screen. Start the computer by clicking the Play button. Enter the username and password. The default credentials are username, Vagrant, password, Vagrant. Our Metasploitable virtual computer is ready to use.